Your Excellency, usisikize sana makelele ya mashindano ya wale ambao wanataka ubabi wa kisiasa. Kwa sababu katika siasa utapata watu wako na ambitions na mambo mengi. And I would not want you to repeat makosa ilifanywa na the former president. Alisikiza makelele ya watu mpaka akachukia wale watu wake. Akakosa nafasi hata ya kuwaita katika meza kuongea nao. Na kuomba ukuwe na roho kubwa ya kwamba you can accommodate everybody. Wale ambao unasikia kama wanaenda kombo kidogo walete nyumbani kwa sababu ni wetu. Tukutire mundu to guikiria guoko because we would want this voting block to remain united. I am in your support that we have to remain united as a people. Todo our strength is in our vote and in our unity.
Watu wengine unajua hawelewi sisi. Watu ya Mlima Kenya. Sisi ni kitu kimoja. Na sisi hatuna misingi ya kikaunti. Watu ya Nyandarua, sijui Murang'a, sijui Nyeri, sijui Kiambu. Hatutaki mtu kuleta hiyo maneno. Sisi nguvu yetu ni umoja wetu. Na sisi tuko hapo. Na sisi tukikaa namna hiyo mambo yetu iko sawa. Na sisi zote katika hii mlima tumeungana nyuma ya rais wetu President William Ruto. Na tunataka tukae hapo. Nikorera na kya kwa demare kahora, twalije kahora, okemonagia makinya, tukoya mu Gikuyu, eriaga, utongoria othiaga, ya uhoro wa riko othiaga kaho. Numukora tumahe uhoro kahora. Mayaga kirira kahora, otukimakoragia, otukimareraga.
Mugambo wa gutugayania tutikaigue na wandu wa gutwara mucenene ko andu acio tutigane na otondo maretho njira marora mona mena kioni kuria gikira thaburia wacoka kamona ni matengeria kwa deputy president gutwara mucenene mero mucenene matigane naguo ithu kira turena ni development.
Sisi kama jamii ya Wakisii tunakuhakikishia kwamba sisi tuko nyuma ya serikali ya William Ruto pamoja na wewe. Sisi tumeunga hii serikali. Na mimi ninashangaa nyinyi watu wa mlima. Muko na shida gani? Muko na kiongozi shupavu ambaye sisi tunaangalia, tunasikia uchungu sana tungeweza kupata kiongozi kama huyu. Lakini sasa nyinyi muko na huyu kiongozi. Na mimi ninasikia vijana wenzangu ambao tuko nao katika bunge wanaanza kuongea, wanaweza kushindana na huyu kiongozi? Wanaweza kushindana na yeye? Hawawezi. Sisi tutasimama nyuma hii serikali na Mheshimiwa Your Excellency tutasimama nyuma yako. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki.
Your Excellency the Deputy President and all participants, I am Arumonyang Joel, PS Public Works.
Your Excellency, the Honorable CSS and PSS present, members of IBEC, my name is Paul Ndemo, the Acting Chief Registrar.
My name is Frederick Odhiambo, Deputy Auditor General, sitting in for FCP and Nancy Legungu, Auditor General of the Republic of Kenya. And Governor Nandi.
Governor Kahiga.
With you, you have you can follow the whole proceedings digitally. There is a follow digitally. His Excellency, sir, with that, I would like now to hand over the program here for the first time. Kaiburi-san, I wish to note that we have continued to make significant by the President's directive at the last summit. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this is a program to enhance food production as one of the ways of reducing engagement, and by the end of the day, we should be able to make progress. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. A proposal that we adopt the agenda of the 22nd ordinary session of IBEC. I trust everybody has gone through the minutes and we should just try to look the substantive.
Reporting here is that we have paid counties from July to November. And I'm not sure whether you can read, but I believe you have the details with you. So yes,
purposes of planning, because suppliers, salaries, we really, it's very difficult for us.
Performance. But clearly our revenue collection is lagging behind. You will see the numbers. Perhaps a lot of your questions will be answered. So maybe you can allow, unless if there are any additional questions, we can.
Some fiscal policy as well as the priority government programs to deliver on the 15th. And the key highlights of what does the budget policy statement do? We look at the financial outlook, how have the revenues, expenditures performed. Then that will cause or may cause challenges in the implementation of the budget. So in this budget policy statement, we have identified a theme that resonates with that we are facing is sustaining the implementation of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. With the name of one is agricultural transformation and inclusive growth. Second is support to my current government took office. So what you're talking about is scaling up programs under the bottom-up economic, forex, and also pushes up interest rates and eradicating poverty, as well as dealing with climate change risks, which market so that's to inject efficiency. We are also working, coming closer home. Growth is projected from 4% in 2022, and it reflects the issues, the expected or the projected growth levels across the various regions. Coming closer, we are projecting therefore growth of 5.5% in both 2023 and 2020 had a higher growth compared to the first and second. And these are signs. Of course, I've said that monetary policy has been tightened even in Kenya. The 91-day Treasury bill, which has also moved upwards, or the interbank rate, it means that in the private sector, remains strong, which is a good thing. It means they are still in the agriculture, transport, communication, and manufacturing. The external sector, the Kenyans who are working offshore. And in this context, the fiscal, what does the fiscal do? They are not within the direct control of that was also felt to be necessary to stabilize the prices of fuel. So I think this is public information, and the weaker exchange rate we have.
Yeah.